All right, everyone, welcome back to the channel. So I just received this order here this is from IDS Car Care. So that's where I ordered. This is actually the Nick's other site here, Nick over at McKees 37. So I ordered some stuff from these guys. 15% off if you sign up to their email for your first order. So that's one reason why I signed up for it. So this is the paperwork. Just throw that back there. So what do they give you? So they give you the IDS Car Care here. So it says Nick Rudder, Managing Partner and Surface Enhancement Expert. There's a number. So this is their other site that they're running. And so this site, they sell other stuff besides McKees. And of course, here's the McKees brochure. If you want to do the graphene collection stuff. Let's get this and move this over here. Okay, so I ordered a couple things. So again, I ordered the DIY Detail Rinseless Wash. So I know there's been some people asking about this, but I already ordered it and I didn't want to tell everybody. It's like, look, I just got it. But yeah, so I purchased this. So we'll see how this goes. Purchased Jescar tire and trim protectant. So we're going to try this pretty much as a tire protectant, not so much on trim. Heard good things about this this product here. It's a polymer based technology here, so we're going to check this out. I picked up the McKees Gold Sponge. I know some people were asking if I've used it, so I went ahead and just picked it up, and we'll see how this one compares to the other sponges. Supposedly this is supposed to be softer than the other ones. I think it's the same as the Optimum Gold Sponge. And then just various Tough Shine tire applicators. You know, I like these applicators for tires. I'll put that down. I'll just grab one. So you know, you get them when you order from McKees. You get 2%. So I just picked these up. So I really like them for tires. These are the Tough Shine version. I forget how many I ordered. I think I ordered 6 just to have more. Yeah, there's 6 in here. So that's the entire order from IDS Car Care. Put this box away. So we'll try all this stuff out here again. If you guys are looking for tire applicators, I really like these foam applicators. They're stiffer foam than your traditional applicators. You know, they're small enough, they're ergonomic, and they just do a good job. And they're pretty durable. Because sometimes when you use a foam applicator on the ridges of the tire, your foam applicator will shred up, and it's no longer good. So we'll try all these products here coming up. Again, probably the rinseless washes, you know, be one of the first products to try, and we'll try with the Gold Sponge here. We'll get these out of the way. We'll try with the McKees Gold Sponge and see how it does on one of the cars here, and then I think I'm going to be having my dad test this product out on his tires here. So that's the order from IDS Car Care. If you guys are interested in trying that out, again, if you sign up for them, you know, for their email subscription, the first order is 15% off. So it's a pretty good deal. Again, if you're looking to buy some things here, again, it's run by Nick over at McKees. So again, Nick's got a new store there where they sell other products, CarPro, DIY, Jescar, just various other versions of products there. So again, stay tuned for updates on, you know, these products. Not so much the tire applicators. I mean, I'll use one of these with that, but again, that's the order from IDS Car Care.